Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create scrolling timeline animation using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and then I'm going to create new project. I'm going to choose blank clip. Okay, actually you can use another background for the scrolling timeline animation video, but here I'm just going to use the black background for my video. And with guys, I'm going to remove the watermark of InShot. Okay, and I'm going to add text to this video. We can go to the text and then we can add the timeline. I have just copied the timeline I have just created to the clipboard, and then I'm going to create the animation. But wait, I'm going to change the font to white. I'm going to change the color to white, and I'm going to change the font to for example this one. Okay, and I'm going to make it smaller. And to create the scrolling animation, we're going to use keyframe. But wait, I'm going to extend the duration. Okay, like this guys, and I'm going to make the text align with my background. And I'm going to apply keyframe. Wait, I'm going to make it out of frame and click on the keyframe and go to the end part of the text, and you're going to move it up to create scrolling animation. Okay, now it's done, and this is the result. And then I'm going to export this video. Okay, hold on guys. Alright, now the video has been exported, and we're going to create new project and import the scrolling timeline we have just saved. And then I'm going to apply mask. We can go to the mask and select the rectangle mask, and you can resize the mask like this, adjust the feather. Okay, and this is the result guys. But wait, I'm going to adjust the feather again. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling timeline animation using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.